Hi friends, it's Miss P. Today we're going to learn people and body part words. Are you ready? Let's go! This is Mummy. 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 Can you say Mummy? Well done. This is Daddy. 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 Can you say Daddy? Super. This is a baby. 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 Can you say baby? Fantastic. This is a nose. 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 Can you say nose? Magnificent. This is a ear. 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 Can you say ear? Superb. These are eyes. 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 Can you say eyes? Well done. This is a hand. 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 Can you say hand? Super. These are feet. 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 Can you say feet? Amazing. Great job. You did amazing. Let's say some more words soon. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.